talk a lot about those, failure there, frankly, but I think Musk is truly, or was, and is truly concerned that the U.S. is heading for a fiscal lift. Get to a point at which we find ourselves in an emergency situation. I think that concern is real of his. I do also believe, and this is other reporting as well, that he probably was not happy with what the guy we thought was going to run this meeting, Jared Eisenberg, at the last minute. Revision to help. Yeah, these sales are pretty big. Well, that was part of the in the bill, of course, but that's going to put quite some time. The elimination of the incentive for these. Jim, who's to the has it been infuriated? He complained over the weekend that you have donated hundreds of millions of dollars to help the other. You think the time that it's least gone up in these things that's it's great fun. That's good. It's I want to work. The question that really is does this continue to escalate? It's maybe some of the things in the way that it's being talked about. He doesn't even know the head. That was something very wow.
Good morning.
Hey, what you got to know about the starts that every condition was really great point. When you get up and get when it look at like food strategy. Because when you experience good and how to be damaged, you have done nothing to get me and move to experience one in which really wants to understand the person. You learning this last thing. One thing to do, that's solution and then find for the return. And then treat your goals for the need. And your little spaces in the I think the same thing with church and something. It's good for the day. It's thinking that's the you can say, even if you live with one further. Well, it's definitely
This is all over the place already. It's craziness. Well, price has been crazy today. With these big moves in the last 30 minutes. And I only have ES on my chart today because NQ has been. I'm not supposed to be trading NQ. I said I was giving up NQ, but I keep on trading it. So I figure if I take it off my chart, then I won't be trading it because NQ be having me spazzing out, losing money. It also gives me money, but it's just too much sometimes. So disrespectful. So I'm supposed to be only trading ES. I'm going to try to do that. You just watch ES and just learn how it moves because I already know how NQ moves. So I need to be focused on this because I lose focus on ES when I'm trying to have NQ up. The market is moving so crazy today. I don't know. It's giving me bad vibes. And I don't feel too good. Not that I don't feel good. I don't want to say that. It's, I was up late. I had a few drinks last night, which I never do, especially during the week. If I was going to have a drink, it wouldn't be on a Wednesday. It was so warm and out in my city. I went outside for a little while. And I'm lagging today. So we'll see about my trading, how that works. What they screaming on CNBC for is on 925. The bell has moved on. It's not open yet. So what's going on in this area? Why does it keep rejecting here? That's what I wonder. Let's see what I wanted to. And this book map not about to drive me crazy this today, because yesterday it was not. I waited all that time for it to get to 6,000. It never got to 6,000. It made me miss out on sales because it was going to 597 and 598, and I kept waiting for it to get to 6,000. And then I missed so many sell opportunities. Now it's a bunch of orders for sales sitting at 6,000 and at 6,007. These ones up here they're still up here, but pretty far up now. 607 is where it really is now. 607.50. And then 59.80 is where some buys are. Buyers are 59.80.
This is just Elton's educated.
59.80. Just 80. And that's at I think this is the 786. It's at 80, but you can get the picture. This is 80. But I don't want it to cover in the line. And this one is too close to that little thing. Well, we got a minute with 15 seconds before the market opens. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Market is crazy today. Already. I can't believe ES moved this much. That on the 15-second chart. Bump, bump, bump. Drop. So see. Dropped 47. And shot up 183. It takes 45 points. ES don't even move that much in a day. Barely. Yesterday, let's see. It moved in this back and forth. There's so many opportunities in this. And I was looking at NQ, not paying attention to ES. and missed all these little opportunities because it literally was in this little this little range all day. Look, it only moved 89, 88, 6 the whole day. Now already it's gonna move to 180. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, what is that? Yes. I'm sorry. Now look, it came back to that area. Little area it keep bouncing off of. I don't know what it's bouncing off of. Price is doing some weird stuff to it, so kind of making me a little nervous. Not nervous, but it's just like, what else can Price do? It's moved so much already. They're gonna give us some good movements today. What's gonna happen at this level? If it rejects that level, I'm gonna take a buy. If it rejects the 618, take a buy. It look like it's rejecting it. See what this next 15. See, no. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Any orders on here? I was about to take a little sell. Let's see. Rejecting from there. Maybe. Is it going back to retrace that and reject from there to go back down? Let's see. So, stop. Limit. Now I know I just moved this down. Why did not letting me move it down? Somebody has to mute themselves on here. No, why is it not letting me move my stop down? Not even letting me move my stop. So put the stop somewhere else. And how big of a stop is that? That might be too close. Yeah. Or it's 10. It's not too close. Come on, Price. Let's go. Come on, Price. Let's just move down. It is like a little bit of, like, but it's like have all of this. Like, come on, you done came down here. You might as well just keep on coming. Let me see. Somebody's not on me. I'm about to meet you though. That's on you. I'm just muting everybody. Oh, that did knock me out. Definitely. I'm only at like 10 ticks. Come on. Come on. Come on, just go down. What's even the point of all this? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, do I have a TP? Oh, yeah, I do. Pretty low, though. I don't think it's gonna go that low. What is my TP? How many ticks is that? 49. Let's see. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Christ. You could do it. Give me some reprieve here. Okay. There we go. Is it like it was a buyer's level right there though. See if that's still buyers down there. Still is a few buyers right around that area. That is a big buyer's area right now, so I should probably get out of this. Because buyers are right there. Let's see, probably not gonna be able to may not be able to push down. I got out because on Bookmap is buyers right there pushing the price up. Although it's some sellers there too, but it's buyers, and we'll see it is rejecting off of that. So that's probably why it was doing so much rejection. I wasn't paying attention. So I'm gonna give it a now it's sellers at 5995. Let's see. It's a lot of sellers there, but it's a lot of buyers right now. On here at this level, it's like, but yesterday the sellers and buyers stuff was so stupid. I was waiting for it to get to 6,000 and never got to 6,000. It kept on just going at 5997 and 5998 and dropping, and I was missing all those sales. But right now, right where price is, it is definitely, you can see that's like the hot zone. That's where all the orders are. The red already is, and that's a big bullish bubble too. So it's probably gonna go up. So I'm not. If I'm gonna get in something, it's gonna be it will be a buy, I guess. But it looks like price ready to go ahead and take that. I need to I don't even have a I'm trying it again. How many ticks is that? I guess I could have stayed in that all that time, but I don't know. Price just it's, now price want to move real slow and stupid when it was just moving out of control. Just couldn't stop moving. Now I don't want to move. Come on, there we go. Come on, there we go. I should move this, but I done got hit. It done got hit now, so I'm like maybe I should move that. Well, that was a good trade. With $500. That was cool. See what else I could find today. I'm just gonna wait a minute though. See what that. Yeah, those were I'm taking the rejects. What are you talking about, Tyler? Um, that was a nice move down. I should have caught it from the beginning. Cause when did it start up here? Exactly 9:30. That was 100 ticks. That would have been good to catch from the beginning. Should have got in it when it broke here. But I wasn't sure if it wanted to reject off of this area here because it kept on rejecting all morning from here. So, but this was a good rejection wick right here that kind of gave it like yeah, it broke these even highs right here and coming down. So that was a good sign to tell you like, yeah, no, I'm coming down. But that I did get at least get a quick 500 on that trade that I just took. See, I could have took it back up. That's the, another 37, but I should see. I'm gonna wait a few minutes. I don't think we have any more news anyway. So let's see what happens. Oh, I'm tired a little bit. That I just got up. But that's because I'm not drinking my coffee because I made it I'm not tired. I'm just like I didn't drink the coffee because I made it too sweet. I put one too many pumps of vanilla or something in it. I'm like, this is too sweet. I need more coffee in there. That would have been a nice trade. Take it back up. 40 ticks again on the way up. That would have been great. I try trying to tell myself not to take trades back to back to back. Like doing that in the next direction. Oh, you was taking oh, okay. You taking a rejection. Okay. I was like the rejects, like the like the kids that's not a part of the cool crowd. Okay, Tyler. Oh, you caught that up. Yeah, I should have caught that up too. But I'm a bear girl, y'all. I'll be looking for bear trades. Like that's what all I want. I want I should have caught this. I would have caught this, but I was talking and not paying attention. But I want bear trades. It should only probably hit this and maybe go back up because this is like a 15-second order block right here. Well, actually, this is the 15-second order block all the way up here, or right here could be two considered one. This one. Oh yeah, for everybody who came after I had said I'm not putting NQ on my chart anymore because NQ is too tempting and I'm supposed to only be trading ES and I'll be doing too much on NQ. Let's see. Is it gonna get through that? Or is it gonna reject it? Just rejecting that little area a few times. There's a lot of imbalance in here. No order block. I mean, no fair value gap for people who trade fair value gaps on this candle, but it is one on this candle. Oh, I can move this now because that area got cleaned up. But that's like a fair value gap. People who trade fair value gap, so price might be wanting to go up there. And price is taking that little. We'll see. I'll try it.
going forward, the big shareholders who are very friendly, careful in the company. Because we've been pushing for an allocation.
Might have made a bad move there. Shoot. Yeah, look like he's wanting to come back down now. Oh yeah, it's about to hit my stop. And that is an M shape right there. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. That looks a little shady. Yeah. I should have gotten a buy with that. Lost like $100 on that trade. I don't like that. But it was looking like you wanted to keep rejecting off of that and going up, so looks can be deceiving. Okay, I see where price want to go. No crap. I probably should have waited to get in that because there's so much imbalance right now. Price probably want to go back up and get all that, clear all that up. And I'm just jumping in. I should have caught this going up, not down. Yeah, I don't get too much on this one, I think. It is giving me opportunities to get out, so maybe I should take them. Oh, okay. Maybe. I don't have no stop on her though. She's probably gonna knock me out. We should have got out when it was down there. It's about to definitely come up. Yeah. And that was only one contract just knocking out. Why didn't it knock all my stuff, all my things out? Oh shoot. It's probably just gonna go up to that and I'm so annoyed I did that. Just get out the trade. So annoyed I did that. I just knew it was about to come and knock some of these points out over here. That's annoying as hell. Very don't feel good today. Now I feel like I can't get in the uptrend because I'm too late for it. Well, that's because I had too many contracts. That's why I think I did 2 contracts on it, which is ridiculous. I'm mad about that. Look at those 2 good sales I missed. 2 good credits I missed. Right, given all the cues that is going up right there, all those rejections right there. I'm just staying in it still. Now it's like it's about to come down, or is it just gonna come down a little to go back up? Like hitting this little order block. Mm. 560 is some buyers there at 560.
In fact, you can use the free policy value calculator that Calculus pays out. In just seconds, you can learn your policy. There are no fees and no obligations. Get real value for real life insurance when you need it out. If you get full needs to get the same,
That's annoying.
they're not for true English and profitability. Without enough capital, you can buy and sell every
This buyer's at 560. So I'm already gonna come down to 560, but it's a lot of sellers pushing stuff down. So price might be coming back here to reject off of here. I'm gonna see. What happens? Because where do price want to go? If it's going down, that's what I want to see. Like where are areas that price would want to stop at? Price is up here. This could be an area where price would want to stop. This is a swing point price might be trying to go to. So, this one. I missed my entry. It came down there and then shut up while I'm trying to do this to see where price going. And it did exactly what I said. But it may be just retesting this again and wanting to come back down and break through that. We've missed so many good sales though. So many good trades. That's just annoying to me. Yes, Sunday. Don't be good. I think price is ready to take another drop. But I think that Should not have done it here with 2 contracts though. That's what I definitely think I should not have done. OMG.
One two opportunity is either there or the left.
Come on.
The ability to sense. Because we really want to, we want to speak.
I need to have a a little far though. Come on. Oh crap. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on, don't do that. Just go down.
Even though it's going fine. That is so much for you when you recession. So it's worth thinking about the first one, it's not the thing about really, and it's like the concept. You mentioned yesterday the positive powers watch city farm on Western Bridge. Is that good?
Come on. Come on, you got this.
Chat.
Come on, come on, come on. You got this. I think I'm a little bit too many contracts. I mean, not too many contracts, but my stop too far down. My take profit, I mean, it's kind of far. Come on. Get out because I was up 900 and then it's starting to like it's hitting this area that I said might be a rejection area that I found over there. So I don't want to. I did that. That was a good trade, but I had lost money in that second trade I took. So I'm really just back at 500. I was at 500 and now I just made 8, but I lost that a couple $100 when I lost 650 and I made 1275. So I'm only at 590. That could have been my full trade for the day finished. But yeah. I might not trade no more today though. Because now price is outside of my fib. And once price get outside my fib, it's like it's kind of like I'm randomly trading a little bit. But it may be trying to go down to this little part of the fib, the all the way at the 1.618. That's a good rejection area for price to really reject off of. And just to kind of show y'all what I'm talking about on here, at 500, but this is an account that I had lost like 1,000 on. So I did get 1275 today, but I lost 650. my trades because I lost those trades right there. So I was just trying to get this account back to positive levels because I had lost some money in it. One of these days, I don't know. 'Cause I got a bunch of these accounts. I'm trying to get like a few accounts. So now it's coming here to this area again and like rejecting. So that could be a good area to go ahead and get back in another sale opportunity. But now it looks like it's invalidating it, and yeah, it's going through it. So that's kind of invalidating it now, and it's using it as a rejection area to the upside. I could have got in for buys because it literally rejected off the area that I have here. You know, I had here this here as a rejection area because I saw that 5 minute order block all the way over here, and I knew price gonna come to that and reject. It's one right there, and it's one right here too. I would put something right there to kind of, know. I put that there now because I already utilized that one. And then just put like something like a little something right here. That was a good trade to take up. So that was perfect actually. But I really wasn't paying attention. So it kissed up level 5958. Great trade. Good. Where's 5958? Right here. Yep. That's where I had my little level at. That was a good trade. I think price want to come back down again though. I don't know, but it may be using this to go up because it should want to retest this level again right here, up here. But it shouldn't actually want to break this high, honestly, because if it breaks this high, that kind of invalidates continuation of a downtrend because it's been making lower highs, you see, since the beginning. Started up there. It's actually a good trend line. So, and right here too. It's been making lower lows, lower highs. So all morning. If you look at it, see high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Now this shouldn't break that in order to continue like in a good trend. Also, same thing over here. Lower high on the 5 minute chart, lower high, lower swing point highs, lower, lower, lower. So price should continue down. But we will see if it hit that and keep going down or not. And it is sellers at like, let's see. A lot of buyers though. At 59.60, it's a lot of buyers. And it's not really sellers until 59.68. 59.68 was sellers. 59.68. And it's a lot of buyers at 59.60. Yep, right here where price is. There's a lot of buyers right here. So that's probably why it's still going back up. And I don't want to lose no money, so I have to make sure I'm in a good trade. Because it'd be ridiculous when you have a good trade and then you lose the trade. Like, see, now this trend line is invalidated. Then you lose your money after you just had a good trade, and that's what I did because I've gotten in the trade too fast. And it's breaking these. That one's broke. But it's not making newer highs though, so not yet. As long as it don't go over this high, then it's still in a downtrend. We can still consider that a downtrend. So I'm still in my so let's see what happens. That's my mail lady coming past. It is getting up to that seller level where those sellers are. So this could be a good trade to take. There's also a lot of buyers underneath trying to keep pushing it up. Look at that. It really be just hitting my levels for real that I'll be making. You just hit this level perfectly. I wasn't looking at it though. Hit this level perfectly. And went up. Great rejection candle. 15-second rejection candle. Perfect. Honestly, just perfect. And look at here. Both of those. Perfect. Perfect trade. Right there. But I'm not paying attention to the market for real. I was looking at some other stuff. I need to be paying attention. So I would give me another good trade here. See if I can get another good trade. So it did break this, but this I guess is really the could really be the one to watch for it to break. Because this pattern, I don't really know. This pattern don't really look like anything. It's like no head and shoulders, or is it a up back? What do they call it? Reverse head and shoulders. There's the head, and then there's the shoulders. Maybe it's got a reverse head and shoulders. That's the head. This is a shoulder, but which one will be the other shoulder? I don't know. I have all the patterns on my desk. I need to look at it and see. Yeah, I do. Oh, it's called an inverted head and shoulders. And then would this be a shoulder or would this be a shoulder? I don't know. Maybe this would be a shoulder. That could be. I don't know. I think I could get a sell out of this. Probably. So may want to retest that area again. Retest the one again. Now that it's made a new swing point, I probably should adjust my fib to this swing point because it did make a new swing point. So that could be like, I don't know if it wants to come back to this area and reject, or if it really wants to come down. That's why I'm kind of nervous to get in. I was about to get in on a sale, but it's like, is it gonna come there and reject, or is it gonna push through it? I think it's gonna push through. Any other water takeaways from anything? Or is it really very specific to what this thing? You know, it'd be a real takeaway that it's a tougher environment for retail. Tariffs
I'm gonna talk more. And for this one, it's both China or the Vietnam and other sources where the chance of increased consistent.
Yeah, no, I don't like being in trades. And then it looked like it want to come back up a little. Okay, come on, push through, push through. Come on, you got it. Keep going, no, keep going. Come on. Oh, don't go back up there and do that. Come on, push through. Oh, come on. Oh, for real. I was way at 300. $50. What a loser.
Maybe you want to stay for stop making the picture.
That was annoying.
Sure, but the some major outages pulled back this morning with the eventual gets still just the cheapest of the place.
That's very annoying.
It's probably this push out here and it's going to be most very shy.
I don't like when. That's very annoying. Because that was a good. Was that good 300?
Saw, and yet the markets have way down to slightly fine, actually even approaching that time. So it's been super fast, and I think a lot of people that could do it, and then never got back again. Which part was too fast? The under the April goes. Look at that, since I guess up with previously, almost all V-shaped bounces, etc. So I think it's lines with this period. But even on that way here, someone stopped me and said, just a person watches it, says they're still there. They don't even understand what the market's about. I think the majority of people out there.
Very annoying.
It's great. It's all what you say when I said it's still there. You say, you know what it's all well, it's all right.
I don't know why my thing keep on bouncing like that. The time is at 10. That was a good rejection from that area. But it's just in between these two areas and price keep on doing a lot in between those two areas, just going back and forth.
The weaker jobless plans today, well, that's so freaking out. Like, I should have, it's quick that even for me, for the jobs market. Do you think of the job market or the other thing of thing? Not looking the other stuff to see because the job, because it means, because they can, yeah, it's a good question to deal with, but, it's because there is finished job. You know that, like,
Just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth in this area.
Yeah. Markets are going to be able to suss it out eventually, but I mean, so many stocks are acting along the guidance system better that I think it feels more like a bit. You now have the British TTF, GRAY, yeah, this is a sort of a framework that you devised a couple of years ago, right? Yeah, 7 years now. So it was written by core research.
Oh my goodness.
Now it's ETF. So that's
a neat term.
It's 34 names, still concentrated, and it's focused on themes like AI, cybersecurity, automation, monetary policy, using we're glad it survived the Black Swan Bank this year because it's still good job. Yeah, and outperforming this year.
It's still back and forth in this little area. It's like stupid.
We try to get investors splits on long-term themes, like AI doesn't really care about tariffs.
So is it back and forth in an area because it's consolidating, but is it consolidating to go up or down? That's the question.
You don't know.
Seems like it's consolidating to go down, but I don't know.
AI and the innovation, it's something really is driving a lot of innovation, and when there's innovation, that's where you can make value. So I think so much of global GDP and its AI and cybersecurity. We need to see some risks to employment and network already, whether it's Amazon, yeah, that's getting tested, or maybe some of the last interactions they said. Yeah, it's like you kind of call distribution of consequence, and AI is a PhD level AI with us, that could do a lot of jobs pretty well. So I think it is going to be important for us to find ways for us to work. There's a lot of, that's not too much. Yeah, that's a big step. I mean, these are things I would definitely say you get to grapple. Yes, it is. I mean, in theory, one future outcome is the workday is commuting. Well, you know, well, it's not be you are. I mean, that much. Yeah, people are shocked to hear it. People look this stuff. Yeah, and then maybe there's time and age drops to 40 because there's people who still got yeah. You really don't know. It's a stock market. I think really fun. Yeah. I think the market will have a different here because of the digital settlements and risk premiums. So I think multiples of big companies could go very high because they have more confidence that they do it daily. So the S&P could really be very well. For example, there's, I mean, for the S&P could not get either. Shouldn't that be reflected in the stock? So if you're yeah, expect and you have to actually know kind of that's well. You know, you're watching CNBC that you'll be really about the guy used to say, right? What are we gonna do? We're gonna follow the feelings that we do. Tell them to come back. See, this is yeah, I'll see you soon. You're going to register that's the analyst. Let's mark on the record, it comes your doctor payment. It does not fit the number on it. And if you really think you can this again, whether it's data collection or something good, you know, it's this also pretty, systems because they would go to it. So the active value and said, if we look up here, good. And there's the good time, you're confining, watching, and the switch the ice, the returns, don't be 7-1-3-5. It's an extra street considered others. Your shipping numbers are not different yourself. They didn't make notes. You need to everybody. Indeed, you did. Sponsor jobs and indeed you fight soon. Transfer that first time. Is it indeed.com/money? It's not English money. It's really easy. For the show. With the very good. What was the young companies? That was really not a good player. Millions were living. But it's not been controlling anyone. With the results, I can't reach it and back. Yeah, only with source. That was it lost. But all the industry, those things, it's already broken. So things do. And the community and that to for new life. Yes, this the source is so insurance. Again, I can say these things. Influence the words. Serious subjects, serious everyone. That's the fact that we did not maintain something for the audience. So you got to fix that. It was the feelings chips, plus the waste of fire. One kind of seeing what it's with the strong to check for infections to the
Oh my goodness. My throat was so clogged.
talking about blocking the person reflex after the gas. It is fairly low.
I'm probably gonna be done trading today. It's only it's early, but I don't know. I don't feel that good today anyway, so I think I'm gonna log off for the rest of the trading day on here on Discord. Everybody's logged out anyway. I think it's just you left, Bree. So we'll come back same place, same time tomorrow. I may try to take a trade, I don't know, but the market is doing some stupid stuff right now.
It's pretty large from where the hyperscale is coming. 16 billion, there's 3 instruments. And recently, just 7. So he can update any of the long-term addressable market from all these additional AI customers. That could be pretty important thing. I think that this custom silicon channel that we work with the companies that use Dell to design the chips and keep going. So maybe we need that, this difference from the, yeah, obviously, it's the data center, right there. You're going to be listening to continue to give you the confidence you have. Very specific metrics and things.
A rejection in this area right here too.
It was pretty strong at 15 300 million more than 3. I want to see that that's about 3.4 billion. Ran well over 50%.
Maybe trying to go back up to retest up.
Everybody here that we're going to customers, they'll be 8 or something like that, or how they feel about that. And then just in general, how the long-term section of what they're doing. And what's the other thing, they did put out a really great new networking chip called so that should really get going in 2026 and run not the semi portion, but more the networking part of their AI business. So those are the 4 things which we're looking for and that you can talk about, maybe some of the longer term growth stuff.
One of the biggest competitors in the category where they proceed, specifically in AI. And let's say in terms of leading.
What about feature market was significant market but really there's competitors
Really?
NVIDIA has developer and companies that have engine resources, that this year is one of them certain workloads and resourcing to save money. One is really the NVIDIA and you said really the great team playing so just continue to get the wins that everybody wants. So there's the best ones for so I'm going to say NVIDIA. Company obviously that don't know that because it's out there. You always do it, even more necessarily you pretty much the things that all we just have to do with it.
I don't know what price is trying to do. I'm trying to just 618 level. That was a good one. I actually was over here on TradeAway looking NQ. I was supposed to not be looking at NQ. My group chat with my mother and my brother is going crazy right now. They just took the most. It should be trying to go back probably to hit this 618 level. It's showing a lot of rejection right here to me. I could have took that trade up, but I was looking at your cute here when I'm at because you look at me too.
people seem to get it quickly.
But this is a nice little in the order block that if you didn't hit. But I think price want to at least go to 618 anyway. Probably was rejecting a little bit right there, but
Is this your dream of retirement?
okay. I took a quick trade on NQ because NQ was moving. Now I'm up, so I can't trade no more. I'm up too much. Like I was over here on NQ doing the most on these 3 accounts. So I got myself out the hole from those accounts that I was in the hole with. I was over here. I had put my bid on NQ on TradeBet. We took right over here. I'm not supposed to be trading NQ. It's craziness. I just can't stay away. It's like a toxic boyfriend that you just keep going back to. And I always call NQ a girl, but NQ is definitely a man. I think that it's NQ and ES are twins, but ES is the girl and she just like calm, and NQ is the toxic boy twin because NQ is so toxic. So I got 13.15 on this account and on the other ones too. So because I copy traded them, I traded too much today. 21 trades, 9 losses, 12 wins, 26. I made 26, but I lost 12. I definitely traded too much today. Definitely traded too much. So these was the ones I just took on NQ. But I did take mostly one trades on NQ. I did lose 2 trades stuff. But yeah. Anyway, I'm done trading for real now. I'm off of here, off this. No more trading today. And let me change this back to ES. Because I'm not even supposed to be having NQ on my page. Log out. And I'm tired. I'm not tired. I'm just like, I don't know why I keep myself tired. I'm just like drained, I guess you could say. I'm staying up too late. And not drinking my coffee because I made it too sweet. I think I'm gonna add another shot of espresso in there so that it's not too sweet. Okay, I'm done with this. Stop recording.